How to record video in Zoom meeting on laptop with audio. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Zoom. Join the meeting. After you join the meeting, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, on bottom, you'll find more option with 3 dots. Click on more option with 3 dots. Then you'll find record option on top. Click on record option. You need to unmute yourself to make sure there's audio. After you do that, as you can see, it is being recorded. To simply stop it, you can click on pause recording option. You'll find the file after you end the meeting. After you end the meeting, you'll find this kind of screen pop up, converting meeting, and it will lead you to file. Simply click on it and you'll find your recorded video in here. This is how to record video in Zoom meeting on laptop with audio. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.